Here's the Antennas Direct 8 output HDTV distribution amplifier that I got off of Amazon. Let's open up the box. Alright, we have a little white box inside there. Inside that box. Awesome, so we have the power input. So you plug this into the wall and then you put your coaxial cable on the other end of that. Okay, just some cardboard there. Let's open up this little box here. Awesome again. Okay, so we actually it comes with the coaxial cable that goes with the power cable. It's very unclear if either of these would come. I'm very happy that they did. Looks like we have the instructions here. It says what it contains, says it does not contain screws or ground wire, especially if used outdoors, or a power inserter for outdoor installation. I'm installing indoors, so that's totally fine. Okay, there's no switch. Once we're plugged in, the amplifier is on. Let's just take the amplifier out of the box here. So it's got some red covers all over it. Got your 15 DC power indicator, RF signal in, and here's all your outputs. They're all covered with red covers. It says 2019. I guess this is when it was manufactured. And then you have your holes to attach your screws with. And it's got some sealant to seal the backside onto this. So basically it says keep the caps on if you're not using the output. Okay, it says connect all your connections before plugging it in. Mount on a solid surface. And then obviously put your power in the power in and your antenna on the RF in. So it has a limited lifetime warranty. Sounds good to me. Let's set this guy up. First up, let's plug in our coaxial cable into our power supply. Plug it in and screw it on. Let's take this peg off. Okay, let's plug in our coaxial cable from the power supply to the power in of the amplifier.
Here's the amplifier attached to two metal brackets by screws and attached to the ceiling beam here. This setup should keep our amplifier nice and cool. As you can see, the power is going in there. As you can see, the antenna is plugged into the RF in port, and then I have two coaxial cables coming out of two of the 8 out ports. This amplifier helps maintain a strong signal to both TVs. I will connect more TVs to the amplifier at some point. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.